Shanghai Securities News has just reported that authorities in Beijing, China's capital, have renewed their anti-crypto stance. Per the report and one from the blog, the Beijing Local Financial Supervision and Administration Bureau, the Business Management Department of the People's Bank of China, the Beijing Banking and Insurance Regulatory Bureau, and the Beijing Securities Regulatory Bureau have requested for firms under its jurisdiction not to engage in crypto-related activities. This news comes just a month after the Shanghai branch of the People's Bank of China issued a similar warning. Per previous reports from Newsbit, an announcement published by the central bank remarked that the sale of tokens for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other virtual currencies remains essentially unauthorized illegal public financing, suspected of illegal sale of tokens, illegal issuance of securities, and illegal fundraising. As such, the Chinese central bank asserted that it will continue to monitor the virtual currency business activities within the jurisdiction, which will be disposed of immediately if discovered. Effective crypto regulation. While the warnings may shock readers in the Western world, not everyone is all too sure that it will be affected. Sino Global Capital Chief Executive Matthew Graham, who focuses on investments in China and around blockchain, remarked that he thinks that no one in China will give any heed to the latest warning from the local authorities in Beijing. Number of F***CX given in China by anyone except possibly Beijing-based blockchain media 0. Matthew Graham, at MAA December 27, 2019. It is important to note, however, that Chinese firms have recently been affected by Shens. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.